Aha. Aha, aha, aha. Oh, let me in, let me out. Hambal nila, sales ko ng subong. Sales. Ano pa damo-damo yung guluwa. O ara ng mga bag, sari na diyo. Ara ko, nan. Ah, sales gid. Naga-sales gid sila, naga-we sales. Kitungod nga, ari mga TV, oh. Grabe, oh. Pa-indis-indis lang sila, oh. Ari ba, may ari, di ba lang nga pila ni ka, ano, pila ni ka, kwan ka, inches. Na, pero lang tawa ang bili. Nan. For example, ang 55 inches, 144,000 lang. Bate, hindi na yung 144,000 na. 144 is only about, kuha lang na siya, mga 23,000. Oh, 55 inches na Toshiba. 23,000. Antong ba ko? 15 plus. Oo, 23,000. Barato na na diya. Ariyo. Ang, ilan ni? 55 man ni nga, ano ni? Google TV nga TCL. It's only 136. Wala lang kalabot ko na. Wala kalabot 20 mil. O, diba? Aring dako gid siya katama. Iya nga 75 inches nga rin paamulyahan sang cart is only 314 reals and 900. Ibig sabihon, 45,000 lang na siya. Na, di na siya mahalas puertes. O, diba? Nag-sales gid sila ya. Ano ni? By the way, ano ni siya? Keychain light. Keychain light, okay. So, araw damo mga mama na. Imig sabihon, nag-sales na siya. Tama rin ako mag-pictures ng iba. Adiri tayo sa mga fluencies ko. Ari ang asset nga aircon nga may asset. Nga isa gid ka asset kung bakalon mo 174 na lang, which is about daw mga 25 mil. Diba? Hindi gid siya tamaan ka. Mahalos puertes. Kayang-kayang visa. Uy, aring na pangita ko. Super General. Super General. Ay, kato na ba ako? Ano kadua sila? 63 ang akay. Okay. Oh, nice. Ang maligali sa sulod. Almost 60 reals. Very nice man yung siyang ang akay. 63 reals. Nami lang iya, tsura. Pero, tapos do gamay-gamay siya gawa. Samantala ang Super General, do medyo Gutowski. So, ang akay, syempre, 1929, syempre, Japan. Of course, akay, so na mga TV, wala ka graph. Ano gano'n? 60 reals. Until when? Until when? This sale?
Promotion lang.
Yeah.
Second
Second week of July. Yeah, because I'm coming back. I need a pickup car to bring this, yeah. I've seen a lot of, there are so many promotions sent in my WhatsApp. Almost all in Babadi are on sale. What about this? Wow, icon, brother. 39? How much kg, brother? This one? 5 kg? 5 kg lang to? 40 reals lang. So, ang 40 reals, mga 5,000. Baratos lang. Barato lang para sa mo. Nikkei semi-auto washing machine. Na, basta nga tsura. Na, 41. Oh no, 8 kg? Oh no. Nice ang yatsura. Taas na siya galing. Ayoko sa mga taas ng washing machine. Kabudlay. What am I searching for? I was searching for bladeless fan. Do you have it here? And air cooler. Yeah. Where? There. Okay. Can I turn this way? Oh my god, they're on sale. Even this. Hisense? Really, brother? It's only 80? How many? 10 kg? Oh, it's cheap. It's quite cheap. Yeah, 11 kg, 70 riyals. Very big. 12 kg, brother. What will I do? Oh, like, oh, this for business. I think Daewoo is a nice, this is a nice brand. Lah. This is really cheap. How much kg? 7? Maybe I need this, brother.
It's 12 kg.
Yeah, I know. Like, I can get inside there. Sorry, naguro ako no ah. Oh my god, brother, I'm gonna buy this, but not now. Because I didn't bring a car.
Delivery
Delivery there is. So in Wadi Al Ain, how much will I add?
20 kilometers.
Huh?
Only 20 kilometers.
20 kilometers? After 20 kilometers, you don't deliver. Oh no, brother, what am I gonna do? I'm going to fly it? Oh my god. Wala bala akong mga ginaguba, mga washing machine. Hindi mo gusto ko ayoko automatic, kaya wala ako exercise. Aba, di pa aman. Brother, where is that? That air cooler. I want to see. So, how much is that again? That's 45 riyals. I think I'm gonna get it. When I come back, I'll just bring a car. 7 kg is enough for me. Okay, where is it? I'm gonna see it. Chest freezer. I'm interested. Air cooler. Because it's so hot now. Mm. Yeah. AC niya, hindi niya air cooler. This is really an AC. No, I'm just searching for an air cooler. Gagani ay. Aba, nabuyayaw pa siya. Tuod man. Air cooler, not air conditioner. Buin ni si, ano ay, si Brotherhood. Hari ka ng beadless fan ay. Ay, 3 in 1, how much? Beadless fan. Beadless fan, abi ko ma-air cooler na lang. Brother, you don't have the air cooler that I asked. Where? There? Wait, sorry. Ano, hindi ka lugtay, hindi ka brother, man. Hindi ka ba mag-promote sa inyong product? Balendugin na to. Regalo sa likod. Hindi man yan, no? Ay, diri, oh. Damot di sa mga appliances. Ay, Diyos ko, ginoo ko. Nag-ano na naman ako. Nag-static kami, di ba permi. Magkapot ka sa metal. Doon ano, ang electricity. Nagalatay. Ah, okay. This is so big. Mm-hmm. How much is it? 44. I think this is not effective. This is not as cool as it is. Yeah, I know that. Mm-mm. Tower fan. It's only a fan. What if? O bakal kami lang sang... I'll try to see. Ay, kagamay-gamay now. This is not um practical. Ay, kagamay. Hisense nga ref. So, wala air cooler nga mayo. Sila di. Tugtuguro sa pihak. Barato nga ang wala. Di nang bakal man. 6. 1.96. This is really so barato. Galing kay, I've had it before. Tapos kulain naman. This also, pag nag-beld siya. So, I don't want that kind anymore. I mean, I want other. Oh, sorry, brother. Sorry. Oh, sorry. I did not touch anything. I hope so. So, Ariga sells man ng mga linens. Of course, syempre, baka sa amunik hindi man tugnaw subong. It's hot. Eh, syempre gusto mo take off all your clothes, diba? Because it's hot. Okay. So, may pakulun. Hindi kayo, hindi maniganit kinamalan. Because the temperature is, so high. It reaches up to 45 degrees. So, nga abi nga, manghabol ka pa. Diba? Nude ka na. Oh my god, I like this. This is a nice color. Yeah. Should I get this? Mint, nag-tip mo siya sa mint green na ni siya. It's not blue. It's of the green species. Anyways, what would be the curtain for? Because it's so hot. We're gonna fit in here. We're gonna. Oh no. Linens, which I really don't need because I had it already. I like this mantle. Of course, it's my favorite color. Ini, syempre namian man ko. O, diba? Oh, I've had that. Meron ako niyan. I like this. Oh, kanami. Kanami niyo. Pero wala na to ganing nag-ano. Good jive sa kanya color. Color scheme. Sa kanya rooms dito sa balay ko. What is that? That's pretty awesome. Photo frame. This one. Awesome. Tsaka mood pastel colors. Because you have to replace it with photos. Siyempre, replace mo siya sa printed photos. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mantles. I mean, anybody give me some colors in the mantles. Oh, clocks. It seems that, well, I like this, but nakabakal ako. Nami, ito kagina. Basta nami siya. Anyway. How much is that, by the way? Uy, mas barato niya. Mas mahal to. But, nami ito siya. Siyempre, kay good jive na naman sa theme. Rin ang galing akong gusto pa kalun. Is there a single? Gikita siniya. What is this? Di ba lang mabal? Ano ni? This is a shoe rack. What I want is that one. Diin sila man. They're not here to assist. Customers, where are they? Ang gusto ko sinang amo na balang daan nyo. Ay, it's not that big. It's small, gali. So, kaya lang gali sini. I don't know, I really don't know. Brother, where are you? Wala na sila. Nasaan ka nung kailangan kita? Wala ka assist. Tani, ang samtani. Isang unang panahon may amo na ninyo. Kaya muntan ibinakal ko. Where are you? 7 lang, oh. Imagine, 7 lang. Versus 25 ninimakal ko. During the time, there were not much of the different kinds of designs of coffee tables here. Brother, can you help me here? So I had to buy the more expensive one. I don't want to have a choice. Yeah. I even like that cabinet for this one here. Gusto ko ni. Palengke. Naka-bulky. Kaya di man may ikarga. Siyempre. Kamasang dresser. Oops, hindi magtuba. Brother, I want to buy this. Stop to na yan eh.